Okay, you have the key. I try and open the boot.
It's not.
Oh, this is not the CX5. Oh, so this is not automatic. This one is just the normal one, just like the normal CX5. Or the CX5 2017 is the one that is automatic. Oh, I was confused. Oh, some. Oh, not everything that has. Oh, guys, it's a 7-seater. Oh my goodness. Let me show you guys. Yeah, it's a 7-seater. Ndio hiyo gari ndani, guys. That is the car inside.
And it has speedometer here.
Speedometer?
Yeah.
It's showing on the screen?
Yes.
Yo, for real?
It's not opening like this, but it's showing on the screen.
On the screen, it will display on the screen, even if when you tint the car.
Yeah.
Wow. I already like. Yo, it has the storage.
Storage, USB ports here.
So you can hold the cups there and then you charge at the back.
Yeah. And it has AC also here. You can control from inside.
Let me come and see. Oh, it has the back AC. Yo. It's a good one. Oh, this is the control. You can put up and down the mode.
Yeah, mode.
Oh, so red is hot.
Yeah, if you.
The blue one is the cold one.
Cold.
Oh, I understand now. And this is the cup holder.
Cup holder and USB port. You put the charger. I think.
Yeah, that's one of our phones, and it's 7-seater. We will pick this one. Yo.
And it is heater seats here.
Oh, you can heat the seats.
Yes, both. You can set from the button.
So this is the driver's seat.
This is for driver's seat. This is for the seat.
Oh, you can heat it.
Yeah.
It's a good one. I love it. It's a good car.
DVD player also is there. DVD player.
Oh, maybe you can put something to play here as a video. And this is the camera.
Front camera.
The front one.
Yeah,
you can
your journey.
Yeah, you can record your journey. So you just put a SIM card here, the memory card, so that you can record everything.
Yes.
Oh.
And it has also inside the USB ports and SD cards also for this radio.